There's a second review on circles. So here's the given information. -5, 3 is the center. That's this point right here. And then go 3 to the right would be -2, 3. 3 to the left, -8, 3. Up 3 is -5, 6. And down 3 would be -5, 0. And then writing the equation would be x. And then the opposite of -5 is +5, and then squared, plus, and then y, the opposite of 3 is -3, and then squared, and then square this number, so you get 9 there. The second problem, what's given is the circle, so you have to find the center. And the way I find the center there is I start here and go 1, 2, 3. Let me do that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in order to get the radius, the diameter is 12. So half of 12 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this point right here is the center. -3, -2. That's how I got the center. The radius is half the diameter, or from here to here, which is 6 units. And then to write the equation, x, opposite of -3 is +3, squared, plus, and then y, opposite of -2 is +2, squared, and then square this number, which 6 squared is 36. So here's the equation. So this circle was given. You had to find the radius, find the center, and then write the equation. Up to the top one, they gave you these two pieces of information. Then make the graph, and then write the equation. The last one, they give you the equation, and then the first thing you want to do is find the center. So the opposite of -4 is +4. Opposite of 1 is -1. The square root of 4 is 2. So I go to 4, -1, right 2, 6, -1, left 2, 2, -1, up 2 is 4, 1, down 2, 4, -3. So given the equation, I find the center first, find the radius, and then sketch the graph. So here's an equation. Check the 4 that are true. So the opposite of 4 is -4. Opposite of 2 is 2. Let me say that again. Opposite of -2 is +2. So here's the center. The radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. And then I have to make this drawing in order to see what's going on. So with the x and y axis, intersects the x-axis twice here, and intersects the y-axis once. Or it does not intersect the y-axis. Here's the y-axis, so it does not intersect the y-axis. Comes close to it, but doesn't intersect it. So here you want to write the equation. So collect the x terms together, collect the y terms together, subtract 4 from both sides, and then leave a space here to complete the square. Half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. Half of 8 is 4, squared is 16. So I have to add this 4 over here on the right because I added on the left. If I add 16 on the left, then I have to add 16 on the right. And then to get this in the circle form here, the center form of the circle, so I take the square root of x squared is x, square root of 4 is 2, and this is a minus, so you put a minus here. The square root of y squared is y, square root of 16 is 4, and then this is minus, so you put a minus, and then add these together. 20 minus 4 is 16. So here's my center, opposite of Negative 2 is positive 2. Opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. Square root of 16 is 4. So I go over here, plot the 0.24, and then go 4 to the right, 6, 4. 4 to the left, negative 4, 2. Let me say that again. Plot the center, 2, 4. 4 to the right, 6, 4. 4 to the left, negative 2, 4. Up 4 is 2, 8. And down 4 is 2, 0. And then I'm all done there. And then the last one is sketch a circle with using a plane cross section. Hyperbola cross section would be through both of those. Parabola at an angle through one of the cones there.